Hey y'all, welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. Y'all, I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm tired, and it's only 6. I don't know what time it is. Hold on. And it's 6:34 p.m. y'all. 6:34 p.m. But oh yeah, now I switched my hair up. Okay, today no makeup on. What's up? How you doing? Not me out of breath. Hubby brought the Christmas tree down. He brought both of them down. One's in this room and one's in the other room. So I'm really excited because we've actually decorated, like the Christmas decoration. Top tier, y'all. Also, I think I showed you guys my breakfast this morning. Girl, it was delicious. So it was just, usually I use sharp cheddar cheese, but we didn't have any, so I used the Colby cheese with a mixture of like Parmesan and some other type of cheese in there. It was like a half a cup of that, 1 egg, and then I seasoned it, and then I put it in the midi egg little griddle for 4 minutes, and it was so good. It comes like a crisp edge, y'all, and put a little sriracha on top. It was delicious, delicious. Highly recommend it, and it's low carb. Y'all, these buns is cracking me up, and it's low carb, so definitely try the recipe out and let me know how you like it. But anywho, let's get this Christmas tree up together. Nah, I see like one piece of popcorn on the floor, and nobody did it but me. Nobody did it but me.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too.
This tree doesn't go in this room. This tree goes in the den. Let's take it down.
I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be. But stuff that comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I
Alright, y'all, so I finished. So in here, to match the red theme, I went ahead and put the red tree skirt down there just to match like the red theme we have going on in here. I just felt like that the red tree skirt will go great. And then in the other room, we put the tan skirt with the green splash of color, just because everything in there is like a little neutral. So we did that. So I really think it's gonna be cute. We have been flocking the tree for a while now. I'm out of breath. I low-key have the worst migraine right now, but we've been flocking the tree. Hubby's in there. Babe, you wanna come tell the people, hey? It's Vlogmas time. We're vlogging every day. Y'all haven't seen him in day 1 or day 2 because every time I vlog, he is not home. But yeah. I used to talk about the people who do Vlogmas and like they be decorating their trees for like 3 days, but honestly, I understand why, because I'm doing this where like when you get off work, you are recording these videos. So yeah, because it's later in the evening. So you're getting off work, trying to record videos. Oh, my battery's about to die. Hurry, hurry. I'm gonna have to change my battery. Look, my puppy.
Hey.
Ouch. Hey.
Let's retake that.
Okay. Here comes Heavy.
Hey.
Really, y'all, he about like literally knocked me off the map. But yeah, so I need to clean up. Well, not really clean up. I need to. I'm not gonna put the lights on the street tonight. I'm not even gonna hold you. My head is hurting. I'm actually probably get ready to go lay down. So this probably is gonna be a short vlog for today. And I apologize, but my head is like throbbing, y'all. But I need to straighten up a few things in here. Plus my battery's getting ready to die. I wanted to show you guys these. So you remember these? I have them. They're kind of like candle. You put around the candles, and you put this around a candle. So you put the candle in the middle. I actually took them instead of that and put them on here as little wreaths. I feel like it turned out really cute. I know since the last time we did this, put this together, it's really cute. I need to clean out the entertainment center in there, but I feel like that was just a nice added addition. I just wanted to show you guys. Tell me how you feel about this two tree skirts. I end up doing the green on top and leaving the khaki on the bottom. I feel like it just gave that nice like layering effect, and then the khaki also has like the little balls going around it. I feel like it turns out really cute. Tell me what you guys think. Also, I see why people get pre-lit trees, because baby, you ain't gotta put nothing else. All you gotta do is put the tree up and flock it, and it is there. That's all. So yeah, I really do see why people get pre-lit trees. I know I said that I was going to go to bed, which I still am, but I low-key want to get one more Christmas tree for the back, like my office area. But I don't want to get one because what if I don't always work from home, then I'm gonna have an extra tree, right? Somebody at the front door. Oh, why can't somebody pop up? Who that? These how you know you don't never have company. The doorbell ring and everybody like, who's that? Who is that? Yo, my hair looks so crazy. I think he said it was Amazon, but I ain't ordering no package. What shoes? No, I ain't even ordering shoes. But yeah, that's how you know you don't never have company, cause who ringing the doorbell? It's 7:30. Everybody like, who is that? Everybody like, who is that? That was Amazon? Oh yeah, the car people. Y'all have people like that deliver for Amazon, like the car delivers instead of the truck?
Amazon Flex.
Oh, Amazon Flex, okay. Yeah, because they be delivering late. I know one time I had Amazon Flex and they actually showed up at like 10 o'clock at night. Remember that lady? And she was like text and was asking like if you have dogs, pick dogs up and text. And when I was texting her, I didn't really think it was gonna be like a real person, but it really was. So stop. What's up, man? Go ahead, Nike. Go ahead, Nike. Nike. What type of shoes you got? Okay, Jay's on my feet. Like me. So tomorrow y'all, hopefully tomorrow, we need to decorate this room. My husband already so graciously put the Christmas pillows out because I had them all just thrown on the couch. So all we really need to do tomorrow, y'all, is, if the camera focuses, there we go. We need to change the curtains, decorate the mantle, and then decorate this part. These are cute or whatever. They're like gray, black, and cream. Okay. Definitely have to see if they fit. So y'all know I've been wanting to be in like a book club forever, right? So me and a friend had mentioned like reading like a whole bunch of books together or whatever. And not the white wall. But anyway, me and a friend were talking and she had like a whole bunch of books that she wanted to read. They're like self-help books. And I'm like, say less. I wanna, you know, is there somebody mentioned, let's start a book club. And I'm like, oh yeah, I've been trying to find me a book club. So we're gonna start a book club and I'm really excited. So we're gonna put like all the books that we wanna read in a jar, pull them, and then that's the book we'll read. So that's the books we're gonna I'm trying to read. So what we'll do is we'll pick a book, then we'll pick a deadline for the first chapter, and then do meetups through like via Zoom to discuss like the chapters. So I'm really excited about that. So that's gonna be starting in December. I need to order the book. The first book we're going to order is What Did I Say in Therapy? I think that book on Amazon, I think she said it was only like $5. What I didn't say in therapy. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. They have the journal. Let's see if y'all pick that. They have the journal, it looks like, and it has the book.
Bigger size.
Oh no. You need a bigger size? Yeah. It look nice though, a little skin leg on it. So to just order 2 sizes and just return one new one? You know, that's my thing. Cause the way y'all, I know I'm getting sidetracked. I'm coming back to it. You be talking about I'm an anxious person. I am not really anxious, but when I want it, I want it. So I don't be wanting to order something and then it be wrong. So I just order 2 sizes and I always return the other size. She'll learn that from me. But they have the book that's the things I didn't say in therapy, and also it looks like it has the journal. So therapy questions to ask yourself for self-therapy session. So I'm going to go ahead and order that for our next book. So we're gonna be starting that after December 7th. So I'm really excited about that, guys. I love a good book club, just with some adult women that can you know, just be mature or whatever. So yeah, really excited about that. So I need to actually text her. We all been messaging on Facebook. But yeah, so I really want to change these lights out so bad, and I want to change them out to like those color lights, because right now I can have a vibe because everything in here is red. I can have like a red light back here. I'm so lame, but it would have been so cute though. But I think I'm gonna order them from Amazon. I could have been ordered them, but yeah, not for real, y'all. I am getting ready to get in the shower because I took 2 melatonins at 7:38 p.m. I done took 2 melatonins and I'm already sleepy, so don't really matter. All right, guys, seriously now, my melatonin is starting to kick in, so I'm about to hop my butt in the shower and get in the bed. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed day 3 of Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, don't forget, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps your girl out to get my videos out to everybody else. But until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.